Kate, hope you are preparing for the quiz competition coming up soon.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, great. What would you love to eat, so that we can get it from the nearby restaurant?
Mom, I think I'm alright for now.
You said you wanted to ask me a question, right?
Yes, Ma. The question is, what are non-finite verbs?
Oh, okay. Non-finite verb is the opposite of finite verb in the sense that it is limited by time, number or person, and it functions as a subject or object of a sentence. It is formed by putting to before a finite verb. Infinitive to. Examples: to save money now is practically impossible. To obey the laws is everyone's duty. To hesitate would have been fatal. To lean out of window is dangerous. Infinitive ing is capable of functioning as both subject and object of sentences. Examples: saving money is practically impossible. Obeying the laws is everyone's duty. Hesitating would have been fatal. Leaning out of window is dangerous. Infinitive serving as object of sentences. Examples: Brock wants to sleep. Gabriel writes to educate. The infinitive in ed and en. Examples: amazed at Amar's behavior, his parents wept bitterly for him. Beaten by his opponent, Anthony went home dejected. Drenched in rain torrent, David sought for shelter.
Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share.